Welcome, morning, evening, afternoon, all good. Okay, are the enemies humanity biggest? Fluoride. First of all, they introduced fluoride in water and then they came up with a notion drink 8 glasses of water in a day. Fluoride calcifies your pineal gland. They want you mentally retarded. They don't want you to be intelligent or question anything. 2. McDonald's lab meat cannibalism. They mix synthetic meat with human flesh and they feed you. So basically, all fast food franchise feeds you lab meat plus meat of children. COVID was made inside a lab and then it was tested in China. Basically, why? China population is growing. And also they wanted to blame China so that they could start world war. COVID was never a natural disaster. It was made by a lab, by a human being, to reduce human being has an agenda of depopulation. Pedophiles, a Chinese billionaire, they kidnap children, torture them physically, mentally, sexually, then drain them their blood, eat them. Very bad. Like diabolical, like Epstein filed. They kidnap children, they run this ring where they are kidnapping children, torturing them, and they are basically the people who are in the society who are supposed to be upholding justice, or the people who are supposed to have morals, or the people who are supposed to protect you are the one being involved. Matrix, the system. Hollywood selling soul. They basically don't sell their soul, they basically sell their identity or ownership to someone else, where someone can own them and then someone who owns them can tell them go to this event, say this, wear this. They basically own them. And when these people have become aware, celebrity, that whatever they are doing is wrong and the agenda that they are pushing is wrong, when you try to rebel, they kill you and then they replace you with a clone. And if your agenda is that big, or if your brand was that big, you had big influence, they basically don't kill you. They replace you with a clone where they kill the original one and then introduce some person of their new which is made in the lab who has no free will, which do anything that they suggest. And if you didn't have that much of an influence, they kill you. They say you suicide, they say you overdose, they say you are in this accident. They've killed you. Illuminati Masoni. They're the biggest people who run the world. The biggest why? These are enemies. Humanity biggest enemy. There's Antarctica. What are they hiding in Antarctica? Aliens, reptilians, portal. There's something that elite country, like this big country, they come up together and sign a treaty which restricted access to Antarctica. They're hiding something. FBI, CIA, the government, and this WHO, and all these organizations that are supposed to uphold integrity, that are supposed to protect human rights, that are supposed to keep people safe. They're just organized crime with fancy name. Flat Earth. It's a theory which suggests that the Earth is flat. And moon landing is fake. Moon landing is no longer a theory. We've never been to the moon. They lied. So if they can come up with a lie that they say they've been to the moon, think of what that they made you believe it's a lie. Think of how big the thing that they've made you believe is a lie. Indoctrination. Basically, all the things we went to learn in school was all a lie. It was just to train us to be obedient, to be submissive to the system, and train us to be workers. Not to think, to be mentally retarded. Big Pharma make profit off you being sick. So they basically don't cure you. Like there's cure for every diseases out there. But guess what? The organization or the elite decided to classify it because they make a lot of money by you being sick. So there's cure for cancer, cure for AIDS, but they were taken away and classified. Only benefit the elite. But so when you go to hospital, they don't treat you like for you to be better. They just manage your disease. They don't want you cured. They want you dependent to them so that you can come back to them. They can take the money you have, take until you are. So there's cure for everything, but it was taken and hidden from mankind. They want you sick. They make 14 family plus few elite people around the world. Death to them, man. I think the list add up to 50,000. So 50,000 people control 8 billion people. I don't know if it's 8 billion or 7, but these people need to die, man. You all need to die. Life is this way because of you. Because there's no way you call it fate. Because there's no way you call it fate when you've already decided the outcome. No. IRS, Federal Reserve, World Bank, they are all just organized crime with what's the name? Because there's a country that's called Libya, which they denied the access to Federal Reserve, all this national world banking system. Guess what? In Libya, do you know that in Libya education was free from kindergarten to university? And healthcare was free. Energy was almost free. The government could support family, even fund for wedding for the people who are getting married. The government, like, life was happy, filled with joy, laughter, and cut.
Invoice.
Okay, brain manipulation through 5G, 6G, chemtrail, clones, lab-made humans. So now these people are playing God by going over and making human being in a lab. Basically, they're playing God without permission. We cannot let that go unanswered. Nobody gets to play God. No. Hospital don't cure you. They basically manage your diseases to make you dependent to them, and then they sell your organs. And in printing, they don't allow you to print money. So basically, you heard that there was news that the USA was building a secret facility, or it's not secret, a facility so that they can bring their Ebola patient to Kenya. No, it's not that. It's that, you know the big deal? There is a secret. You know what? What is the secret? The gold that it's being stolen from Congo, it's getting mined and stolen, and then it's being transported all the way from Congo to Kenya. And when it reached Kenya, it's being transported to the US. Because the foreign market, all this organization controlling war, they say the gold coming from Congo, it's coming, it's blood, like it has blood. So they basically, did you hear they said that there was gold in Kisumu? That's all a lie, man. It's just a bunch of people lying. The gold that's being stolen from Congo is being brought to Kenya, and then from Kenya it's being brought to the USA. So there was no facility for Ebola. It's just weird way to do business. They're stealing gold from Congo, passing it through Kenya, and then it's going to the US as a claim that it originated from Kenya. They are thieves. What is there else? Student loan, biggest scam. The Matrix uses education to indoctrinate people, like basically children. All the shit that we go to learn in school is all a lie. Very, very bad. Pizzagate, you all know about that. Paul Walker was about to expose Hillary Clinton, so they killed him. They said it was an accident. Man, the guy got killed. He was killed. And there's a lot of people that they've killed. They also changed the music frequency from the heart that was harmonious, peaceful, and all that stuff, and then they switch it into something which is aggressive and making us violent. Israel genocide, they are killing children. The World Health Organization doesn't give a fuck. The ISIS doesn't give a fuck. But he is coming. That's all that matters. All these things that they say here, these are just the tip of the iceberg. The rabbit hole goes way deeper and deeper. way deeper and deeper. All I can say is he is coming. Everything that has a beginning always has an end. And your time is very small. You have a very small time. He is coming. He is coming. Do you see this? He is coming.